Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Libra. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na mensahe, energies, at mga gabay for Libra. Libra, ano yung mga energies, messages for Libra? Ano yung mga gabay para sa Libra? Okay. Yeah, for yung iba sa inyo, merong new direction. It may be sa career nyo or sa personal life ninyo. New direction, new address, new job, okay? New location. Yeah, there is a desire from you to move on, okay? Yeah. You're seeing the truth of the situation. Okay? You're seeing it clearly. You wanted to take action. Yeah. Yeah, gusto nyo ng stability and security sa estado ng inyong buhay. Okay? Or sa inyong pamumuhay. For some of you, there will be celebration because of a completed project. There is success. Okay? Stability. Happy home life. Contentment. Okay? Yeah. So, your hard work or skilled work will be rewarded. Libra. Tingnan natin. New direction for tingnan natin, sabihin ng judgment for Libra. Yeah, Queen of Swords, okay? May positibong pangyayari sa inyong buhay. You are overcoming challenges or great pains in your situation. Okay, kung merong disappointment or hindi maganda nangyari sa inyong or previously or in your recent past, there will be a new beginning for you, a chance, okay, for a new life. It's like, ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong gawin and you are clearing away all things that no longer serves you. Okay. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Gusto mo ng bagong buhay, new beginning. Okay. So, things will be okay now for you, Libra. High Priestess. Yeah. The High Priestess again. Okay. So, listen or trust your intuition kung anong sinasabi sa inyo na gagawin. Okay. Follow, sundin mo kung ano sinasabi ng puso mo. Yeah, use your 5 senses in making a decision. Okay. Okay. So, 4 of Cups. It's like sa ngayon, parang hindi mo alam kung paano mag-umpisa, paano gagawin, how to move forward, but it's telling you to follow your intuition, kung ano yung sinasabi ng puso mo. Okay? Your gut feeling, kung ano yung actions na gagawin mo. Okay? Because for now, you are bored or discontented sa nangyayari sa inyong buhay. There is also a parang silent treatment with someone. Okay? Someone na malakas or sharp ang intuition. Someone who is spiritually gifted. okay, or a messenger, spiritual messenger, okay. You wanted to leave that situation. Yeah, for some of you, you know kung ano yung mas makakabuti para sa inyo. Eight of Cups, let's see, ngayon natin. Yeah, for some of you, there is Ten of Swords, there is breakup, okay? A direct breakup from someone who is intelligent or smart, okay? Yeah. You are also overcoming pains, disappointments, or sorrows. Okay? Tingnan natin, Eight of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to be independent or financially secured. Okay, you are looking for a better opportunity or better option para sa inyo, most especially sa inyong stability, about stability ng inyong finances or career. Yeah. Okay. Basically, you want to move on to a situation, papunta sa situation na mas maganda, na may stability, okay? Something na meaningful para sa inyo. Okay? So, you just want to have parang gusto mo pumunta sa isang maayos or magkaroon ng maayos sa sitwasyon, leaving behind parang iwanan mo yung situation na hindi para sa inyo, okay? You're going towards better opportunity, better situation, okay? Yeah. Or some of you are receiving money, loans, okay? Kung nag-apply kayo ng loan, you will be approved. Yung iba sa inyo, there will be a career, an opportunity for a career, okay? And you are going towards it. A better career opportunity. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need to make time for the people around you, like your family, your friends, okay? And you have to deal, kung nahirapan kayo sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon, you have to deal the situation in a kind and understanding manner kung meron mga challenges, okay? And do not also rush things. Yeah. Ace of Swords. Anong Ace of Swords for Libra? Five of Pentacles. And the Three of Swords. So, you're getting the truth of the situation. You want to, parang gusto mong malampasan kung ano man tong heartbreak or frustrations and disappointments na naranasan ninyo. Okay, both emotional and financial, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you were not given an attention. Parang hindi kayo nabigyan ng oras at ng attention. So, you are leaving it behind, okay? Yeah, you now have the clarity of the situation. And you want to move on sa ganung estado ng buhay or ng sitwasyon. Okay? Queen of Swords. Bakit may Queen of Swords? Okay. Yeah. So, kung ano man yung mga difficulties na pinagdaanan ninyo in the past, okay, magkakaroon kayo ng lakas to move forward. Yes. You have the inner strength to move on and to forgive yourself and forgive other people or kung sino man yung involved in your situation na nag-cause sa inyo ng isang hindi maganda na sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Release harsh judgments, forgive. You are gaining the strength to move forward and to overcome yung mga difficulties na inyong pinagdaanan. Now, you know, para ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung papatunguhan mo, okay? Kung anong direksyon ang gusto mong gawin. Yeah, the Two of Wands, you are looking forward for the future. May mga plano ka, okay? Creative plannings or about work. You are making plans towards your future. Knight of Swords. Bakit may Knight of Swords? For Libra. Yeah, Eight of Wands. Movement. Yeah, okay. Five of Cups. Yeah. You want to make up kung ano man yung mga disappointments or mga regrets na meron ka ngayon. You want to take action on that, okay? You are ready to move forward, okay, and to take action. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, someone or you, Libra, will be sending a communication towards someone, okay, because you are regretting, okay, you are apologizing of some disgrace, okay, disgrace behavior or hindi magandang pangyayari. Yeah. For some of you, merong conflicts and dispute. Okay. But you know you are gaining confidence. Okay. Despite doon sa mga hindi nangyari, hindi magandang nangyari sa inyo, you are gaining confidence. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are in defense mode also. Yeah, you're making changes in your situation, Libra. A quick change in your situation. Four of Wands. Tingnan natin ano itong Four of Wands. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Yeah. The World. Yeah, you want to move on, okay? Parang you want to start something new, a fresh start for you. There will be a new beginning, bagong simula para sa inyo. You are moving on in your situation, okay? You want peace and contentment in your home life. That's what, parang yun yung dinidesire mo. Yeah. Okay, you are closing a certain phase in your life. Maybe this is a relationship. Yeah, for some of you, you are also traveling. Okay. Yeah. Page of Cups. Four of Swords and Nine of Swords. Yeah. Someone is worried, okay? Parang they want to offer you peace, or ikaw to, Libra, you want to apologize to someone. To someone na to apologize someone dahil nag-cause ka ng something na ikakabahala, okay? So this person is worried about you or the situation. And the Four of Swords, okay? Merong sleepless nights. Maybe there is someone waiting for you to approach them and to apologize, okay? Maybe this person nakaka-sense that you are completing a cycle in your life or in your relationship, and someone is very worried about that, okay? worried siya na hindi ka na mag-offer ng apology or hindi ka na lalapit sa kanila or hindi ka na magpaparamdam. Yeah, because you are moving on in your life, okay? You are closing some phase in your life, maybe sa trabaho to or relationship. Yeah, maybe a relationship, okay? And someone is worried about that because deep inside, they don't want that to happen. Gusto niya na i-approach mo sila or they don't want to end things with you, okay? Kahit na hindi nila ito sinasabi. Four of Swords. Tingnan natin. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you will be focusing on your work, Libra, okay? There will be a new beginning for you, most especially sa career opportunity or sa kaperahan, new contracts, okay? So, there will be an inflow of abundance in your situation. Yeah, you need to work hard for it or your hard work or skilled work is being rewarded. So, keep believing on yourself. Defend what you have created. Okay. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you will be parang makakatanggap kayo ng malaking pera because of a job well done. Magandang trabaho na ginawa ninyo, na pinaghirapan ninyo. Okay? So, merong tagumpay when it comes to your work also. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, there will be merong business venture kayong papasukin. Okay? You are doing the research kung ano mga pwedeng gawin. Okay? You are upgrading yourself. Okay? Libra. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Yeah, for some of you, you are closing a certain phase of your relationship. Yeah, in order to move to another or to have a stable home life. Okay? That is for some of you. Additional message for Libra. Closed doors, no good job opportunities. The current job is coming to an end. Start all over again. Okay. Merong mind power. Use your intelligence, analyze data logic, and think rationally. Lead with your mind. Merong winning. Sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once. Okay. That is for some of you. Some energies, no? For Libra. Tingnan natin. Additional message. Angel message for Libra, please. Angel message for Libra. Conscious consumer. You have the power to heal and help the world with your decision to buy only products and services that are ethical and environmentally friendly. As a conscious consumer, you choose to invest in fair trade and organic goods. You live simply and you purchase only that which you need. Okay, one more for Libra. God is your source. Everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Libra, all the best. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!